What the fuck is wrong with this camera? It's worth me more than the silver button.
We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free.
Hey guys, this is your boy Kabir and you are watching Being Bookish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, hope you all are having a great time. So guys, I'm back with another video on the same channel. So if you are new to this channel, so make sure you are subscribing it now. Chao, jaldi subscribe karke aao. So guys, in this particular video, we'll be doing two things. Number one, we'll be doing a small Q&A, and number two, okay, let me show you. So number two is this. Yes, I'll be unwrapping this, and let me tell you, I'm so excited to show you what's inside it. So make sure you are watching the video till the end to know what's inside it. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, I'll be starting with the Q&A round. So guys, अभी तो अपन ने start ही किया, so number of questions थोड़ा कम है, but I'll be answering them honestly, the questions I get on Instagram. So I have taken two of them. So the question number one is, क्या आप DU में पढ़ते हैं? Are you a DU student? So yeah guys, I am a Delhi University student and I'm currently pursuing my BSc from Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi University. So yes, this is it. The thing important is, आप में से काफ़ी लोग होंगे जो अभी ये वीडियो देख रहे होंगे and who are also trying to get admission in Delhi University. So obviously अभी आपको पता ही होगा कट ऑफ तो obviously सारी रिलीज हो चुकी हैं. So admissions procedure चल ही रहा है, कॉलेजेस में अभी admissions हो रहे हैं. So the thing is, if you have any query or you want to ask me anything about Delhi University, like courses, colleges, campus, north campus, south campus, off campus, and anything else you want to ask about the university, so you can DM me on Instagram. I will definitely answer you. And yes, question number two is, which book I am reading currently. So guys, I'll be answering this one. So the answer to this question is this particular book, The Magic of Thinking Big by David Schwartz, is the book I am reading currently, and trust me, this is such an amazing book to read. So guys, this book will first teach you how to think big and then will definitely make you achieve big. You know, this book is filled with so many amazing examples of the people who believe in themselves and started their own business or their own or excel in studies with their own big thinking and with their own ideas they grow. So, and the second thing I like the most about this particular book is इसकी लैंग्वेज बहुत सिंपल है भाई. You can understand each and everything. Okay, so अगर आप सोच रहे हैं to start reading और आपको कोई book चाहिए पढ़ने के लिए, so guys, this will be a perfect choice. The Magic of Thinking Big, and yeah, this will keep you motivated throughout the day. So you should definitely read this particular book. So guys, we are done with the Q&A round. So now I will be unwrapping this. So let me show you now what's inside this. So guys, finally here it is. Think Like a Monk by none other than Mr. Jay Shetty. So guys, let me tell you, I waited so long for this particular book by the genius himself, Mr. Jay Shetty. Yeah, I'm holding it in my hand, but still I can't believe this. So वैसे तो मैं ये वीडियो काफ़ी पहले पोस्ट करने वाला था, but अभी पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ यार. So but the excitement is still the same. I mean, finally, yes, let me tell you, this is the only good thing that happened in 2020. So guys, firstly, look at this amazing cover. It is, indescribable. I just can't describe. Damn, this smile, man. And this can make anyone smile. So a quick introduction about the book and this man. So yeah, I don't think he need any introduction. So yeah, but I will tell you, he is my inspiration, my master, my everything. He is Jay Shetty. See, I haven't read this book yet, but I have watched Sir's interview on Instagram. Many times he's talking about his book, and so I have got a idea of basically what is this book is all about. So guys, this particular book, Think Like a Monk, is basically a book that will teach you about a monk life. You know, how a monk thinks, how a monk works, how he plan his day, his life, and everything about a monk. Basically, this book will teach you how to be free, how to be kind, how to meditate, how to find your path, and everything. And there are many more teachings about life in this particular book. So thank you so much, sir, for this amazing book, and I just can't wait to read this one. So guys, this is it for the video. Hope you all liked it, and if you really did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you. So guys, lastly, stay home, stay safe. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali, and yes, this Diwali spread love and happiness. Your Son Papdi can wait.